Alright, we are now officially on Interstate 95 North, making our way back to New Jersey from Philadelphia. If you've been following my Dashcam videos, you might remember my previous trip from New York to New Jersey. Back then, we were heading south. We were heading south on I-95. Now we're taking the opposite route. I-95 is one of the busiest highways in the country, stretching from Florida all the way to Maine. It's a crucial corridor for travel and commerce. And right now, we are cruising along a stretch that thousands of drivers take daily. Let's see what the road has in store for us today.